Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. Please make happy faces before starting the lesson. I know you are waiting for the new video and want to see some more new things. Have you made your happy faces? Yes. Okay, let's start the lesson of the day. Today we will learn a new letter which name is L. Which name is L. Its phonic. This is capital L and this is small l. Its phonic is L. Its phonic is L. Okay. Do you want to see the friends of L? Okay. I have some beautiful friends. Look at this. What is it? This one and this one. These all are lollipops. What? Lollipops. Do you like to eat or lick the lollipop? You know we are licking the lollipop. So, lollipop is the friend of L and its phonic is L. L, lollipop. L, lollipop. Okay. Next friend is, what is it? I have told you he is the king of jungle. Its name is lion. Its name is lion. Lion begins with phonic L. L, lion. L, lion. Okay. Okay. Next friend is, what is it? Think about it. What is it? Do you know? Okay, I will tell you. Its name is lamb. Its name is lamb. It has wool on its body. Okay. Lamb begins with phonic L. L, lamb. L, lamb. Okay. Next friend. What is it? This is lemon. Lemon. And these also are lemon. Big size. Okay. Lemon. Lemon begins with phonic L. L, lemon. L, lemon. Okay. Okay. Next friend is this one. It is a fruit. Its name is lychee. Its name is lychee. Lychee begins with phonic L. L, lychee. L, lychee. Okay, I have one more fruit of L. What is this? These are loquats. Loquats. Loquats begin with phonic L. L, loquats. L, loquats. Okay. What is this? Is it a fruit? No. It is a vegetable. Its name is ladyfinger. Its name is ladyfinger. Ladyfinger begins with phonic L. L, ladyfinger. L, ladyfinger. Okay. What is this? Look at what is this? Lorry. Lorry begins with phonic L. L, lorry. L, lorry. Okay. What is it? This is a part of our body. What is it? It is a leg. Leg. Leg begins with phonic L. L, leg. L, leg. Okay. What are these? These are lips. These are lips. Lips begins with phonic l. Lips. Lips. Okay. Next friend is, this is an insect. What's its name? Its name is ladybug. Its name is ladybug. Ladybug begins with phonic l. Ladybug. Ladybug. Okay. What is it? This is a lantern. This is a lantern. Lantern begins with phonic l. Lantern. Okay, I have one more thing. What is it? This is a lamp. This is a lamp. One more shape of lamp I have. Look at this. These also are lamps. Okay, they are hanging lamps, and we put this lamp on the side table. Okay, these are hanging lamps, and this lamp we put on the side table. Lamp begins with phonic l. Lamp. Lamp. Okay, now look at this one. What is it? This is a library. This is a library. Library begins with phonic l. Library. Okay, look at this. What is it? This is a lock. Lock. Lock begins with phonic l. Lock. Okay, what is it? I know you have it, and you put your lunch in this box, and this is called lunch box. Lunch box begins with phonic l. Lunch box. Lunch box. Okay, I have one last and big friend, and this is laptop. This is laptop. Laptop begins with phonic l. Okay, laptop. Laptop. Okay friends, I have finished or seen all the friends to you, and you have one duty, that is, look at your surroundings, find some more friends of letter L and tell me about them in comment box. At the end of the video, please give a big hand to yourself. See you again in next video. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe our channel. Click bell icon for notification of our upcoming videos. Please like and share videos. Put your comments in our comment section.